Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to clip your screen or gameplay in OBS Studio using the replay buffer feature. If you want to save the last few seconds of your screen or gameplay without recording your entire session, OBS Studio makes it easy. I will also show you how to make replay buffer start automatically when OBS launches. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Click File. Then select Settings. From the left menu, click Output. If your output mode is set to simple, change it to advanced. Now open the replay buffer tab. Enable replay buffer. Next, set the maximum replay time. This determines how many seconds OBS will save when you trigger a replay. For example, if you set it to 30 seconds, OBS will save the previous 30 seconds of your gameplay. You can increase or decrease this value depending on how long you want your clips to be. Keep in mind that longer replay times use more system memory. Now open the recording tab. Make sure your recording path is set to the folder where you want your replay clips to be saved. The replay buffer uses the same recording settings, encoder and recording path as your normal recordings. Now open the hotkeys tab. Use the search box and type replay. Find save replay. Click inside the box. Press the keyboard shortcut you want to use. Choose a shortcut that's easy to press while gaming. Then click apply. Click OK. Now let's start using replay buffer. On the main OBS window, click start replay buffer. OBS is now continuously saving the last few seconds in the background. Whenever something exciting happens, simply press your replay hotkey. OBS will instantly save the previous few seconds as a separate video file. You don't need to record your entire gaming session. Now let's make replay buffer start automatically whenever OBS opens. Close OBS Studio. Right click your OBS Studio shortcut. Select Properties. In the target field, click at the very end of the line. Press space. Then type -- start replay buffer. You will find this command in the video description. Click apply, then click OK. Now every time you open OBS using this shortcut, replay buffer will start automatically. If you also want OBS Studio to launch automatically when Windows starts, click the Start menu. In the search bar, type Run. Open it. Now type shell:\common startup. You will find this command in the video description. Then press enter. The startup folder will open. Drag a copy of your modified OBS Studio shortcut into this folder. Now OBS Studio will launch automatically when Windows starts and replay buffer will already be running. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to set up replay buffer in OBS Studio, save instant gameplay clips with a hotkey, and automatically start replay buffer whenever OBS launches. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.